Are you a mom on the go who loves to travel? Do you often find it challenging to pack all your baby essentials in a convenient and organized manner? In this video, we will explore some of the best travel-friendly diaper bags that are designed specifically to meet the needs of moms like you. Join us as we discover the perfect diaper bag companion for your travel adventures. When it comes to traveling, one of the key factors to consider is the weight and size of your diaper bag. In this scene, we will explore compact and lightweight options that are perfect for moms on the go. These bags offer ample storage space for all your baby essentials while still being easy to carry and fit into your travel luggage. Keeping your baby items well organized is essential while traveling. In this scene, we will showcase diaper bags that come with multiple compartments and pockets for efficient organization. Say goodbye to the hassle of rummaging through your bag to find a pacifier or wipes. With these bags, everything will have its place, making your travel experience much smoother. Traveling often involves unpredictable weather conditions and various terrains. Therefore, having a diaper bag that is durable and water-resistant is crucial. In this scene, we will explore bags that are made with high-quality materials and designed to withstand the rigors of travel. Whether you encounter rain, snow, or rough surfaces, your bag will remain sturdy and keep your baby items safe and dry. Who says diaper bags can't be stylish? In this scene, we will showcase diaper bags with trendy designs that will make you the most fashionable mom on your travel adventures. These bags are not only aesthetically pleasing but also versatile, allowing you to use them beyond the baby years. You'll love how these bags seamlessly combine fashion and functionality. As a travel-loving mom, having a travel-friendly diaper bag is a game-changer. It not only makes packing and organizing your baby essentials easier but also adds convenience and style to your travel adventures. We hope this exploration of travel-friendly diaper bags has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration to find the perfect bag for your on-the-go lifestyle. Happy travels!